Hello! I'll review today the brand new Fortune Dragon, a cordless vacuum cleaner which can also be used as a mop or as a hand vac. Inside the box we can find all the parts of the vacuum, including the handle, the main body and the floor nozzle. An adapter and the mop tray are also there, together with the warranty certificate and the user's manual. As you can see, assembling is a 1-minute job. Connect first the handle to the main body case. Attach the nozzle, insert the hand vac body, and that's it, you're all set. After you've charged the product, you can use it as you like. One good start would be to use it as a hand vacuum. But first, let me show you how easy it is to access the filter and to empty the debris. The suction power is enough to tackle quick messes. Above the floor, the product can be used with ease on couches or various pieces of furniture. Between 20 and 30 minutes of power is enough for users to cover all the surfaces of a medium-sized home. Dust gets easily sucked in, and there's even a crevice tool which allows users to reach tight places. In upright mode, this vacuum cleaner can turn on or off the brush roll, which is ideal for vacuuming both bare floors and carpets. Here's the contents of the bin after all the tests. The emptying process is a breeze. Filters can be washed and reused. Thanks for watching, and make sure you visit vacuumsguide.com for more info on the cordless Fortune Dragon.